Hello guys, welcome to the Michello's Chicken. Today we are going to make this amazing cookies, croissants plus cookies. It's very beautiful and very nice taste. And we are going to make this amazing mini croissants also. At the first, we want 500 gram of high protein flour. I'm using T45, T55. We need here 7.5 gram of milk powder, 10 gram of salt, 62 gram of and half sugar. We'll put in the mixer all of them and we will mix it in the first speed for 2 minutes. After we will add 110 gram of of water and 95 gram of milk. The milk and water should to be little frozen. We'll put in the bowl, in the mixer bowl. This is our milk, also little frozen. And now we will mix with the second speed. We will mix it until we get everything mixed together. Here we have 24 gram of fresh yachts. We will add and we will mix for 1 minute in the second speed. Now we will add 62 gram and half frozen butter. We will add slowly. We will add slowly and we will mix with the second speed. We will let to mix everything together and we will get 40 centigrades. We will check the temperature. It should to be arrive to 14 centigrades. Now I get 14 centigrades. I will put in some tray and I will put in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes because reduce from the temperature. Be careful, it should not to be frozen, only reduce from the temperature. We'll put some siphons because not enter any air inside because it's coming dry. And we will put in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes. It depends to your freezer. This is after 25 minutes. We will put again in the mixing bowl and we will mix it until 24 centigrades. We will check the temperature every 5 minutes. After, we will check the gluten test. We should do white the dough and it should not to be broke. This is the amazing gluten test from our dough. Now we will give it some massage. Look how I'm making the massage. You should make like this, from up to down, up to down. Now we will put some silicons and we will put in the room temperature, in the room with the room temperature for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will open the silicone and we will give a massage again for the second time. Again, we will put in the telephone and we will put again 10 minutes. Now we will void it with hand, same as I'm making. And with the some sticks, we will make some square. Now we will put in a tray, we will put some silicone and we will put in the freezer for 24 hours, minimum 8 hours, maximum we can use for 3-4 days also. For now we will put only 12 hours. This is the next day, second day. This is the butter I'm using. We need here zip keep 20 and 25 centimeters. We will put our butter, 300 grams of butter inside, and we will void it. We will put in the freezer because it should to be freeze. We will void our dough, same as our zip keep size. We will open the butter. The butter should to be, the temperature of butter should be 7 to 13 centigrades. And dough, it should to be 5 to 7 centigrades. Now we will close the dough with the, we will close the butter with the dough. Same book. Now we will press up and down, and from the middle to up, from the middle to down. We will widen it until 3.5 millimeters. Now we will, four fingers to right and all of them to left, same as I'm making. And we will put again to the, in the tray, we'll put in the freezer 25 to 30 minutes because reduce from the temperature. Again, we will widen it to 3.5 millimeters. We will make, we will close the dough, left to middle, middle to left. Now we should divide it same I'm making. Be careful, you should to make it same. Close to open way. After we will open like this. Open to open. Now we will make half our dough. Here I'm making 17 and a half. Now we can cut our croissants. 6 to 17 or 16 and a half, I think. Now we will roll our croissants. Very easy. And your room temperature should to be 18. Now for the egg wash, I'm using one whole egg, little bit creamer, whipping cream, and we will mix everything together. Now we will strain the egg. Now we put egg wash. And we will put in the prover for 3 hours proving. Again we will put egg wash, and this is our croissants. Amazing croissants. Now we will make a cookies dough. For the cookies dough, We need here 120 gram of brown butter. We will make it brown slowly, slowly. Here we need 110 gram of brown sugar and 50 gram of white sugar. We will strain the butter top to the sugars. We will mix everything together. Now we will add egg plus vanilla, one egg plus vanilla. We will mix a little bit to mix only a little. Now we will add 125 gram of flour, 3 gram of bicarbonate soda and 1 gram of salt. We will mix everything together. We will add 70 gram of chocolate chips and we will mix it with our hand because it should not to be a mix too much. Now we will take a 25 gram to 30 gram bowls. Our dough should to be 25 to 30 grams and we will put in the top of croissants. We will put in the oven for 175 degrees for 5 minutes and I will put everything in the description.